all jacked up. Let's get it. So I'll be showing you how to replace the bushings for the sway bar link. It's pretty simple. Just need a 14mm, optional WD-40, and some lubricant. These actually cost me $20, and it didn't come with no lubricant, so I'm gonna just use some brake lubricant, because honestly these require lubricant when you replace them, because they make this squeaky noise if you don't add lubricant to them. But I bought these for $20 at O'Reilly's. I was gonna get some MOG bushings, but I just decided to go with these, and it didn't even come with lubricant. So make sure you have some lubricant if you decide to buy these $20 ones. So let's get, as you can see right here, because I have the tire off already, it's easy to see the sway bar. These are the end links. I'm gonna be replacing these soon too as well. Have them right here. I'm gonna do a video on that as well. It's pretty bad. Look at that. They move around. They have play. It's not good. But what we're gonna be replacing is the bushings, which is right here. See, this is the bar. Connects to the end links. Connects to the bushing. This is the bushing right here, with two 14mm. So if you're looking at it from this point of view, you go down, down, down. See the bushings here? I already sprayed it with some WD-40, but they're right here, the bolts, 14mm. On the other side, 14mm there. So it's just two, and it should come off. Has a cover, I believe. So let me go ahead and show you that. Alright, so like I told you, it's optional for WD-40, but in my case the bolts are really rusted, so I did spray it. I already did get a head start, but let me just go ahead and spray it once again. But there we go, there's one, the other one right there. And then you go ahead and grab your wrench, 14mm, start screwing them off. As you can see, they're really rusted. As you can see, y'all shouldn't have a problem with it, but in my case they're really rusted. I'm gonna just go ahead and stop recording here, but as y'all can see, just keep on unscrewing them here. Well, it's actually coming off. It's easier now. See, that's one, and then the other one is gonna be over here. But I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it here and show y'all when it's off. All right. So as y'all can see, guys, it was two bolt nuts that came off, so I removed them. You can see there's space in between now. There's one, and the others over here. You can see how it's really rusted. It just come off. So this is the cover. I'm gonna clean that right now. But this was what was holding it. These two bolt nuts right here. Two bolt nuts holding the bolt right there. That was really rusted in my case. But as you can see right here, this is the bushing. So just open. You just split it open off the bar. Jeez, look at all that. So you can see it's the lubricant, but I'll go ahead and compare it to the new one. And no, I am not using jack stands, just the pure jack itself. Yeah, no. But see right here. Let me open up the bag. So let's compare it. So as you can see, the old bushing to the new bushing. It's a difference. Well, this is for this side. Yeah. This side right here. There is a difference, as you can see. This one's already has an opening. It's not going to be as snug as when I put this one on. This one has no opening. You can see this one. It's old, dirty, and it's because of wear why they start opening up, you know. It's not bad though. There are some that start breaking down, chipping off, but as you can see, now time to start lubricating both of these bushings. Well, I'm gonna just do one for now because I still have to do the other side, but the other side is basically the same thing, you know. Just, take off these two bolt knots, 14mm. Cover comes off. Bushing should be stuck on this. Just remove it, pry it off with your hand. It's not hard. Then you would just put the new bushing on here, but I'm gonna clean this first, but put it on here, you know, lubricate this as well, screw it back on, but I'll show you that right now. Let me just go ahead and stop it here so I can clean this up and put some lube on this, lubricant. I'm gonna just go ahead and rinse it off. Wipe down that area as well, the bar, just a rag, wipe it down. So we're gonna go ahead and add it, put it back, make sure it's clean. But all right, so now we could go ahead and start adding the lubricant to the parts. It sucks that these bushings didn't come with no lubricant, because I'm not even sure if this is gonna help it out, because this is some brake lubricant. But we'll see. You don't have to apply too much, just like a dab on each corner, and then from there spread it with your finger. I don't have gloves though. Fuck. All right, get it on over here. Inside as well, a little bit. Just want to put it like towards the end of it, and then just spread it with your finger. Spread it around. Sorry if you could hear my dog barking. Almost done there. I'm not trying to hear that. God damn it. But yeah, should be good enough. Alright, so now we have to open this back up, put it right on the bar. It's gonna be quite a challenge, but sure, we got it. have to just pry it yourself in. Try to find a way to pry it. There we go. Fits right back in. Grab the cover. Then I think it's this way, yeah. You gotta flip it around. Position it right. There we go. And see what you want to do here. So you don't want to go ahead and bolt one all the way in. Just like, we'll bolt it in slowly with your hand. But what you want to do is, hold up. You want to make sure you're screwing both back in at the same time, not one, just all the way in. Screw both of them at the same time, so take 3 seconds screwing one bolt and then switch to the other for 3 seconds and then switch back and forth, because with the point is you want to make sure the bar is leveled, you know. So we want to make sure both bolts are leveled. So as I'm struggling over here putting it back in, y'all make sure y'all do that. So let me just try to screw this one back in, and now or start recording once again. Hold up. Alright, finally able to lock down both bolts into position. So now what y'all want to do is go ahead, like, screw one side first for 3 seconds, 2, 3, then switch to the other one. 1, 2, 3, and switch back and forth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one's actually a little bit more down, so I'm gonna just go ahead and you can peek from the side as well to see, like, how leveled is it. As you can see right there, the opening right there, and the opening on the other side right there. You can see both bolts being screwed on. So there we go. You can see. It being tightened. But since my bolts are really rusty, this might take a while, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it here. But yeah, it's pretty simple. And you just want to repeat the process for the other side. So as you can see, both screws are back on tight, no opening. Brand new bushing. There we go. Right here. Both bolts on. We just want to go ahead and put the tire back on. Tires back on. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side. Same process, honestly. Nothing hard. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that right now.